Steam Smythe, my good man, you're a genius. Once my scorpion stinger is done, I'll finally be able to defeat Ben 10 once and for all. Things have been way too quiet around here lately. Steam Smythe must be up to no good. I know, I'll sneak into his lab so I can spy on him. Almost done. That Ben 10 won't know what hit him. Quiet as a spider. Let's see if I can get closer and look at what old Smythe is up to. Oh no! The Omnitrix has timed out! Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Well. Ben 10. What a nice surprise. I just finished my best contraption yet, and I had no one to test it out on. But now you're here, how nice of you to drop in. That's one nasty looking needle, Smythe. I didn't know you liked sewing. You must have some really big holes in your pajamas. Your silly jinx won't help you now, Ben. My scorpion stinger will make sure you get the point. Scorpion stinger? You look more like a jiggly jellyfish to me. Don't worry, Ben. This won't hurt a bit. Well, it will once I poke you with it. Yes, we're back in business. Time for Steam Smythe to get a taste of his own medicine. It's hero time! You're right, Smythe. This thing is pretty cool. Let's try it out. Ah! 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 Quit poking me, you stupid piece of junk. Ouch! My hiney! Ha! Now I know why you spend so much time making all these silly gadgets and gizmos. They're so much fun. Ah! Ow! Great job, Smythe. Your scorpion stinger is perfect at poking. Keep that horrible thing away from me. I think someone spent too much time indoors playing with their toys. Let's go get you some fresh air. Well, I'm glad we spent some time together, Smythe. I was starting to think you didn't like me. Oh man, we were so close to catching Steam Smythe, and then the rust bucket broke down. He could be anywhere by now. Oh, I better get it working again before I melt. It's so hot. Not here. No. Where on earth did I put my tools? No tools? No tools! How am I going to fix the rust bucket without my tools? They must be around here somewhere. I'm sure I packed them. The rust bucket. Oh, this is hopeless. Aha! Got you, you little slimy little toad. You think you can follow me to my secret hideout without me noticing, eh? Hey, who are you calling a toad? Oh, did I hurt your little feelings? What are you gonna do about it? You're gonna regret that. It's hero time! Uh-oh. Who's the little one now? Next time, pick on someone your own size. Wait, I think there's been a misunderstanding. Whoa, I'm getting dizzy. You're getting dizzy? Oh, thank you. I'll promise I'll be good. Just please no more spinning. You're right. You're way too heavy for that. Maybe I should work out a little more first. Hey, put me down. I'm not some sort of tool for your exercise routine. Smythe, you're a genius. I am? You might not be good for working out, but you're exactly what I need to fix the rust bucket. What? A little screwing here. Yeah! A couple of hammers here. Ow, ow, ow. A bit of sawing here. All looks a bit dirty now. I think my rust bucket needs a good polish. Polish? This thing's a pile of junk. Well, with your help it won't be. Thanks, Smythe boy. I couldn't have done it without you. Wow, good as new. All I needed was the right tool for the job. I'll get you next time, you little brat. Mark my words. Nothing like a nice jog to keep me in shape. Let's see if I can go around the world. I bet I can do one lap in less than 5 minutes. 3, 2, 1, go! Yeehaw! Whoa, someone really likes sandcastles. Oh, what a big climbing frame. Hey, who put a big hole in my racetrack? Whew, what a trip. One lap around the world in 4.5 minutes. Easy peasy. I need something harder. Hey, I know. I could do it backwards. Ha! This is too easy. Ooh. Ouch. Ugh. Sacre bleu. Oh, sorry. Hey, who turned out the lights? Ah, a mummy! Finally, some peace and quiet away from the troublemaker Ben 10. Ah, I sure love tinkering with my machines. Ooh, whoops, this isn't right. I must have made a wrong turn somewhere. Stop! What are you doing, you clumsy fool? You're destroying all my precious gizmos. Where on earth am I? There must be a way out somewhere. Yes, it's the door. Why don't you use it and go mess up someone else's things? You won't get away with this, you crazy kid. I'm going to invent some backwards robots that chase you away for good. Okay, that was a bit trickier than I thought it would be, but it was still pretty fast. 6 minutes? I bet even Steam Smythe could have been faster than that. You're gonna have to run faster than that, slowcoat Smythe. Mark my words. As soon as I get my hands on you, you'll regret messing with me. Gotta catch me first, Snail Smythe. Grandpa, Gwen, where are you guys? You better not have gone and get ice cream without me. That's just not fair. Grandpa, Gwen. Grandpa must have locked the doors. I can't get in. You can run, but you can't hide. Cornered like a teeny tiny mouse. Not quite tiny enough, but I know someone who is. It's hero time! Blast you, little bug. Oh well, you're trapped in there with nowhere to go. I'll just wait out here. You'll have to come out sooner or later. Oh no, if Grandpa and Gwen come back with stinky old Smythe around, there's gonna be trouble. Let's see what the rust bucket can do. That's not fair. Come back here and fight me like a man. But I'm not a man. I'm a mouse, just like you said. A mouse with a cannon. Go! Ah, come on, Steam Smythe. Let's play catch. Ah! Ouch! Ouch! That rust bucket is more like a tank than a rusty bucket. Run away! Run away! Better luck next time. Well, that was fun. But what should I do now? It's too bad that Grandpa and Gwen went off to have fun without me. What am I talking about? I've got the rust bucket all to myself. I'm going to have one of my famous Ben 10 bonanzas. Party! Ben, we're back. We brought you ice cream. What on earth happened to my campsite? I think I'll go see what Steam Smythe is up to. This is the life. The sea, the sand, the sun. Ben Tennyson. Dude, you really deserve some time off. I'm just gonna kick back, do some sunbathing, nothing but me, the rust bucket, and the sound of the waves. Caw-caw, caw-caw! Squeak, squeak, caw-caw, squeak! Hey, get out of here, you stupid sea chicken! Can't you see I'm trying to relax here? Oh, that's better. Finally, peace at last. Oh, what was that? Do you even know what you're doing? How dare you! I'm a legendary machine builder. I got the mind of a pure evil genius. Yeah, well, don't quit your day job. This is my day job, you ghoul. You'll see, once that tuna tank is complete, that little pain, Ben Tennyson, will regret even messing with us. A tuna tank? Well, that sounds fishy to me. I think it's time to give Hex and Steam Smythe a tan they'll never forget. It's hero time! You? What are you doing here? Funny, I was just about to ask you the same thing. You guys enjoying the sun? Or how about some extra heat? Whoa there, I think you need to cool off a bit. There, let's hang you up to dry. Whoa! Oh, too bad for you. And look, this rusty old thing has all sorts of parts and gizmos I could use to make my tuna tank even better. You don't mind if I borrow a few things, would you? Hey, get off there, you terrible teapot. Stop messing with my rust bucket. Oh, don't you worry. I'll be sure to leave this pile of junk in one piece. It's just that the rest of the pieces will be attached to my tuna tank of destruction. Awesome. I think I'm starting to dry off. If I can just keep these idiots distracted for a bit longer, I can change back into Heat Blast and teach them a lesson. Hey, Hex! Well. I've never thought I'd see you taking orders from smelly old Smythe. How dare you! I don't need this big buffoon to help. I could fight you all by myself. Buffoon? You can't even fight your way out of bed in the morning. Ha! My magic is way more powerful than any of your silly contraptions. I could send you sailing far, far away just by waving my staff. Oh, how romantic. So it's a fist fight you want? I'll punch you so hard on your skeleton skull, your shoes will fall off. Oh, wait, I forgot. You don't have any shoes, do you? Bah-ha-ha-ha-ha. Well, it's been great hanging around listening to you two losers, but I'm supposed to be on holiday. It's hero time! Quick, throw more water on him. You throw more water on him. Wow, this has turned into a great beach party, guys. But it's not a real party without dancing. Careful, guys. Too much dancing in the sun can make you real tired. Ooh. Ooh. Glad you decided to get out the sun. Wouldn't want you to get sunburnt. Ah.